What's going on, my friend? William James here, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest strategy ever to make $100 per day on Facebook. And unlike other YouTube videos that promise to show you this, I'm actually going to walk you through every single part of what I personally do to make $100 per day on Facebook. So I know that this works, and I'm not going to hold anything back. I'm going to tell you every single thing that I do. And it's incredibly simple. So watch this all the way through to the end. So if you're new to the channel, my name is William James. I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, consultants, course creators, people who are starting and growing home businesses using Facebook. I specialize in free organic Facebook traffic strategies. I have a whole group on Facebook where I teach all the ins and outs of mastering the Facebook algorithm, getting leads, getting sales, all of that good stuff completely free. There'll be a link under this video. If you're not already in that group, go ahead and join the free group. And also you can check out some more information for different things that I recommend down in the description of this video. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. So with that out of the way, guys, let's dive in. The easiest strategy ever to make $100 per day on Facebook. Now, the reason that I can say that this is by far the easiest strategy ever is because I have been doing this for 10 years, over 10 years now. I've been in the make money online space and specifically using Facebook, okay? And this year, this thing came around and, you know, I developed this particular strategy, and in combination with a particular offer, it has been the easiest money I've ever made in my entire life. Like, it's ridiculous. Now, I personally believe that for people who are trying to start out, trying to make their first dollar online, you need something that is incredibly simple and incredibly easy that anyone can do, because new people, they don't have a lot of tech skills, they don't have marketing skills. They're overwhelmed with all the, information that they're probably trying to take in. And, typically you just need something that's going to be super, super, super easy. So this is what I recommend anyone to do if they're, not making any money yet, basically. This is like the easiest way that you can start making sales. And there's a couple of reasons why it's easy. The first is that the offer that I'm using for this strategy is affordable to everyone. Everyone can grab this offer and start promoting it. And the way that this offer is set up, you don't need any type of sales funnel. You don't need to create videos. You don't need to create email follow-ups, nothing. It's literally 100% done for you. All you have to do is get somebody to call a phone number, okay? And when they call the phone number, they hear a 1-minute message that asks them if they want more information. And if they do, they press 1, and they have a real text message conversation with an artificial intelligent robot, which sends them through to an amazing sales page that actually converts, and basically $100 comes out the back end. Now, if you're interested in all the details of what this thing is and how it works, you can call the phone number. It'll be below, and I'll also show it to you in this video where you can call the phone number and test out what this thing is and like what it actually does. But the bottom line here, guys, is that it's a phone number, and when people call it, like a very large percentage of them are going to end up sending you $100. Okay, so the new person has to do for this strategy is get people to call the phone number. And basically what I have here is a very simple script for you to use on Facebook to get people to call this phone number. So, essentially what I do and what I teach my students to do is to go out and find anybody on Facebook who is in the affiliate marketing or network marketing space. And they're very easy to find. There's bajillions of groups and pages and whatnot where these people are hanging out, and you can find them, commenting on Facebook ads, commenting on pages, on posts and groups. I mean, they're everywhere. There's millions and millions and millions and millions of people on Facebook who are trying to make money from home using affiliate marketing, and they're struggling. And so this is perfect for them. It's also perfect for people who are making money, honestly. I've sold I've done quite well with this for, selling this to people who are actually quite successful. So all you would do, guys, is go out on Facebook, start sending friend requests to people who are also affiliate marketers. And as soon as they accept your friend request, every morning I go to my friends tab on my phone and I click on recent friends. And then I go through and I send them a message. Now, regardless of what I'm promoting, I always send this message, some version of this message, which is this. Hey, thanks for connecting. I did take a look over your profile, but I don't like making new friends on Facebook without getting to know something about them. So please tell me something about yourself and what you're up to. Now, it can be some variation of this. I don't just copy and paste this necessarily. I might change it up. I'll oftentimes make a little observation about something that was on their profile just to show that I did, pay attention to it. Like, hey, thanks for connecting. I did take a look over your profile. Such a cute dog. Ha ha ha. That was adorable. Something like that, just so that they know that I actually did look at their profile, right? So I send that message out to every single person that accepts my friend request or who has sent a friend request to me and I've accepted, right? So then about, say half of the people who I message are going to write back to me. And they're going to say, hey, William, thanks for connecting. I do affiliate marketing, blah, blah, blah. I live in Florida. I have 2 dogs and, whatever, right? They'll tell me about themselves. And that's cool. And then I send them this message. She goes, that's awesome. So as for me, I've been doing affiliate marketing here on Facebook. I've actually been using this really cool new artificial intelligence text message sales robot to generate leads and sales for my primary business. It also sells itself for 100% commissions of $100 a pop, which is really sweet. Honestly, just using it to sell itself has been some of the easiest money I've ever made because it is just so cool and slick and everyone wants it. Let me know if you'd like to take a look at it and see if it would be useful in your business. Okay, now that is exactly what this thing is. Okay. It is a phone number. You call the phone number. If you want to hear more, you press 1 and it basically sends you through to a sales page, which is incredibly good, which tells you about what this thing is, which is an artificial intelligence text message sales robot, which generates leads for your primary business, because every time somebody pushes 1, their name and phone number is added to a lead list, and you can use that for any business that you want. So it generates leads for your business. And if they want to use the system itself, they can buy it for $100. And the $100 goes straight to you, 100% commissions. Okay, you can take money however you want: Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, credit card if you want to set up a credit card processing page. So it's incredibly simple. And it's very cool, and the sales page that the company built actually works, okay? So this message is very appealing because it's totally unique. They've never seen anything like this before. It can help them with where they're at if they're an affiliate marketer, right? I've given them enough here that basically they're going to be like, huh, yeah, that sounds interesting. Why not, right? Almost everyone who you send this message to is going to say, sure, I'll check it out, because it's different. Yeah. The problem, guys, is that most people, what they're doing on Facebook is they're going out and they've got the same old type of deal, which is like, a network marketing company where they're selling supplements or something, right? And what they're doing is they're messaging people and saying, hey, are you at all open to taking a look at a new opportunity? And they're not saying anything interesting about it, right? They're not saying anything to get the person excited about it. They're just asking them if they'll look at something. And almost nobody has time for that. That's stupid, right? The only reason they teach that strategy is because, any idiot can do that. But it doesn't mean that, it works very well, right? And the other reason is because a lot of these offers, 90% of the home businesses and the offers and stuff out there are just not very interesting. They're not cool. They're lame. Right? That's just the blatant truth of it. Whereas, if you want to make this easy on yourself, you pick something that's unique and cool, that you can send out a little message like this, and it actually gets someone's attention because it seems different. And they go, yeah, let me look at that. But that's your whole job as a marketer, guys, is to just get someone curious enough to take a look at something, right? And what's awesome about this is that the system is actually designed to work so that you don't have to do anything else, right? All you have to say, they say, yes, awesome, let me take a look at it. You go, awesome, just call this number and listen to the 1-minute recorded message. Boom, there's your phone number. Guys, if you want to check this out, that's my phone number, 716-229-8752, okay? If you want to pick this up, you will get your own unique phone number, but that's mine, okay? So if you're intrigued and the person that you just sent this message to will be intrigued, they're going to call that phone number and they're going to hear this 1-minute message that gets them even more interested. Yeah, and they're going to press 1 when it asks them to press 1. And then they're going to start having an actual real-time human-like conversation with a text message sales robot, which is going to send them through to a video, which is really cool and slick, which explains all the details, right? So you don't have to explain or sell or do anything. It does it all for you, and it does it in such a way that's different, that's cool, that's unique, that's high tech. They've never seen anything like it before, and they go, I want this. It's only $100 and it pays 100% commissions. So you can make $100 commissions over and over and over and over and over again, every single day. Guys, if you run this script, if you go out and you just send out friend requests and message people this exact script every single day, you will make money. How many people do you think you could send these messages to a day? It's 2 messages, guys. Well, 3 messages. There are millions and millions and millions of people on Facebook who want and need this. It's so easy, guys. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. Now, obviously, the next step is once some sales start coming in, you need to start posting your results on your profile and on your story, right? And you're posting your screenshots of $100 commissions coming in. And you're saying, hey, who else wants a phone sales robot to send them $100 over and over again? Comment info, stuff like that, right? And more people are going to start asking, hey, what is this? What is this robot thing, this $100 thing? What is this, right? And all you have to say is, awesome. Well, it's this really cool system. Just call a phone number and it'll explain everything, right? Give them your phone number. Guys, that's it. It's so simple. You don't have to build a website. You don't have to do nothing. This is the easiest thing you can possibly do. And then, of course, you've got a list of buyer leads. And you have their phone numbers. And anytime that you want to reach out to these people, you can reach out to them, right? So there's no point, if you're new, guys, if you're a beginner and you've never made money online before, there's no point in trying to convince somebody to join your nutraceutical company. It's just too hard. Okay? Do people make money with that? Yeah, but it's hard and it takes years. This is easy because it's different. It's simple, right? It's unique. It's cool. It's affordable. It's not a big commitment. It's one time $100. One time, right? You're not trying to convince them to start a whole new business and put in years of work, and right? I mean, that's the network marketing game. It's like people are cold messaging strangers on Facebook trying to get them to start a whole entire new business, which is crazy. It's just a huge commitment. Whereas this, it's a quick impulse buy purchase. They see it, they go, oh, that's really cool. I'm going to try this out. And they buy it. And you get the money. Okay? And all you have to do, literally all you have to do, is send people these 2 messages. That is it. And then send them to your phone number. Okay? That's it. So, I don't know how this could get any easier, guys. The only reason that you are not making $100 a day online is because you're just scared to, or you're just too lazy to talk to anyone. If you are seeing this and you don't immediately know with 100% certainty that you could do this, I don't know what's wrong with you. Like, you can do this. Anyone can do this. Literally, like, go copy these messages. Go on Facebook. Find a group where there's affiliate marketers. Start adding them. Send the messages. Like, copy paste. It doesn't take any skill, any intelligence, nothing. Do you need to buy this offer to do this? Yeah. It's $100 one time. And you can make $100 over and over and over and over and over again. Will this get saturated? No, never. Guys, there are millions and millions and millions of people in this industry who need this. The only thing that is standing in the way of you making a, job replacing income with this is you telling yourself that you can't do it, which is stupid, because you can. A 5-year-old could do this. Okay? So get out of your own way. Stop trying to do super complicated stuff. Stop trying to sell stuff that nobody wants. And it's just really hard to convince people to do. Sell something super easy with a proven script, right? That everything's done for you. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to work. See if you can message 50 people today. Guys, you can do this today. Call the number, get signed up. I'll approve your account. You'll get your own phone number, and you're good to go today. You could earn $100 like in the next hour. Just do it. There's nothing easier than this. Okay. My rant is over. I hope that made an impression. But anyway, guys, if you want more details about Facebook marketing, all that kind of stuff as well, of course, be sure to check out my free group where I talk more about building an audience, getting high engagement on your posts, all that good stuff. Once you have all that going on as well as the same time as something like this, you're unstoppable, guys. Okay. So let me know what you thought of the video in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And with that said, guys, have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.